once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view.
What's up, everybody? We are back with another video, and today we are getting right into it. We're gonna make some unstuffed cooked bell pepper. I don't even know what it's called anymore, but that's what we're making. I'm so excited. Let's get right into it. All right, first things first, we need some ingredients, and we'll start it off with a pound of beef, 2 bell peppers, 1 medium-sized onion, some minced garlic. I cheat, I don't buy this stuff. Worcestershire sauce, some Italian seasoning, salt, pepper, beef broth, some diced tomatoes, some uncooked rice, some mozzarella cheese, and last but not least, some sharp cheddar cheese. So, with all those ingredients, let's get right into it. First things first, put on our beef at medium-high on the stove top. Bada bing, bada boom. Let's get cooking. Now we break this up, brown it up, and wait for that to happen. Apologies again for to everyone for making another simple recipe. I'm doing a lot of simple recipes lately, and I want to make a complex recipe, but I need suggestions for that. So please drop down below what your suggestion is for that, to tell me what recipes, more complex recipes, that I should try. I want to try one recipe, but I don't know if I want to do it yet, so I'm waiting for a little bit longer. Also soon, coming soon, I'm going to be dropping a video of reasons why I was on the crutches a little while back, and what happened, the whole story, and up to this point. So I'm hoping that goes well, because I was really excited that I got to film some of the process. This recipe does not call for these seasonings, but I'm going to add it anyways. Szechuan seasoning and some onion and herb seasoning. I'm going to add these to it because it gives it a little more extra flavor. No idea what it's going to taste like, but I want to add extra flavor right away. So let's put these on right away. So sprinkle a little bit of this. Sprinkle a little bit of this. So next things next, we got to add in the bell pepper, the diced bell pepper. Wow, I can't speak. The diced bell pepper, as well as the onions. So let's get that right on in. And add in the bell peppers. Now let's stir it all together and cook it for about 5-10 minutes. We're gonna stir it together for about 5-10 minutes until the vegetables are softened. I'm gonna turn it down just a little touch, and let's keep going. As we are letting the vegetables soften for about 5-10 minutes, we are going to talk a little bit. It's early July. I'm excited. I haven't done much, but a couple weeks ago was 4th of July. Hope you guys enjoyed your 4th. My 4th was a lot of fun. Enjoyed it. Got to go wake surfing again for the first time since last year, and that was my second time ever in my life. What else? It's been a lot of fun. I'm getting really excited for next week. Next week I'm going on a golf trip. So stay tuned for that. I might film a little bit of that. No idea yet. But yeah, around that Monday after is my birthday. So I took that day off. I'm going to enjoy some time out on the course. Maybe film, because I will have probably a course by myself. But who knows? With the golf trip ahead of it, I might not even go golfing on my birthday. So stay tuned with that. A couple weeks ago, ran my first 10K since I was on crutches. So I'm really happy about what's been going on lately. It's been progressing, all that stuff. And let's go check this out, because it's been basically about 5 minutes. After it's been about 5 minutes, we're going to add some of the minced garlic. So let's get that right on in. We got our three cloves of minced garlic. Now let's stir it in about 2 minutes. We're going to keep it cooking so it becomes fragrant. Also, this video, I'm trying something new. I'm going to try to film the cooking and filming my face at the same time. That way you guys can see a little bit of both. And I want to see how that turns out, if I can do it good. And you guys think that looks good, let me know. I'm open for criticism. Since it's early July, I'm actually getting this video prepared to release while I'm out on my golf trip. So that way I'm just really excited about this golf trip. First time ever going on a golf trip outside of, Minnesota or North Dakota. Actually going up to Wisconsin, northern Wisconsin, and ready for that. It's out at the Apostle Islands and so excited. It's some beautiful courses, it looks like. So going to be expensive, but hey, it was a spontaneous trip. Me and my buddy were at Sweet Shots and we were talking about golfing, and we both were like, let's go on a golf trip. So we spontaneously decided that night where we're going to go, and yeah, here we are a couple months later, finally actually going because we scheduled it for this weekend. So all right, now that it's been about 1 or 2 minutes, let's add our 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, our Italian seasoning, our salt, and last but not least, our pepper. Along all with that, we got our beef broth, more beef broth, our uncooked rice, and our tomatoes, diced tomatoes. Let's stir it all together and see what we can come up with. We're almost done with this recipe. Sorry again for making a simple recipe. But yeah, this is my first time ever making a unstuffed bell pepper. And I really want to try a stuffed bell pepper here coming soon. So I will do that as well. After that, just leave me more and more suggestions, because I need more and more suggestions on harder recipes, maybe gets me a better cooker and chef, there we go. Makes me a better chef, and yeah, I just want to progress a lot further, way faster, and that's all I ever want to do especially with golf, cooking, anything in life, Yeah, lately I've actually met a person who is kind of a mentor to me. He has a great outlook at life, and just no matter what, like wherever you are in life, you are not guaranteed tomorrow, so live like you are dying, pretty much, like Tim McGraw said. I'm pretty sure it's Tim McGraw. But yeah, live like you're dying. So yeah, he's got a great mentality of life, and I'm glad he is a mentor to me. So I don't have many mentors around me. It's good to have mentors. It's good to have people around you that have wisdom to spread to you. And those are the people that are gonna progress your outcome of life, and it's nice to have that around you. So see you guys in a bit. Also, I noticed a while ago, like I need a haircut like crazy. My hair is getting really long. I need to shave my beard. I haven't shaved my beard in like a month or so. So I should do that as well. I just want to get prepared for this trip. I'm so excited. I don't know if you can tell my excitement from it, but I'm excited. Now that we've brought this up to a boil, we're going to reduce the heat a little bit and cover for about 20 minutes. And when it's halfway through, we're gonna stir it, and then it's almost done. It's like I said, this is a very simple recipe. We did not make many dishes dirty. We got those that we're using to cook. We got all these, which is not much because most of it is because of all the dishes I put in to prepare for the video. We're gonna use a plate, and that's about a fork. And yeah, that's all that is to this recipe for dishes. So it's not much, and that's actually the good thing. Don't have many dishes to do. It's been about 10 minutes. Let's stir it up. All right, let's keep it going for another 10 more minutes and see how it turns out. All right, now that's been about 20 minutes. We are gonna stir it up a little bit more, and then let's serve it and let's try it out. Let's see what we can think of it. Let's see what we think of it. Don't know why I can't speak, but it's fine. turn off the oven, throw that in there, and let's stir it up. I'm really excited to try this. Excuse-moi, right behind you. And excuse-moi again. All right, let's serve it on up. I don't know what goes good with this, so we're not gonna have anything else with it. We're just gonna have this. Oh wait. Now next thing you have to do is stir in half your mozzarella cheese. Stir in half your cheddar cheese. Stir it all together. Now when that is all stirred in and melted a little bit, cover with your cheese. And cover it for the remaining until the cheese has melted. So let's wait for that. All right, the cheese has basically been melted. Looking mighty fine if I do say so myself. So let's remove this cover. Let's turn off the heat and remove it from the heat so we can serve it on up. All right, now here it is on my plate. Let's eat some up and try this. All right, just like that, we have the food done, served up, and let's get eating. First things first, stay hydrated always, every day. All right, let's try this. Some unstuffed pepper casserole. This is actually not that bad. I added some of that Szechuan seasoning and that onion and herb, and you can tell, I can taste the Szechuan seasoning, and that adds some good flavor. After a few more bites, I really enjoy it. I'll say this is like an 8.7. This is really good, really quick and easy. Not many dishes, and so like the prep work honestly is like a 9.3, and the food itself is an 8.7. I really enjoy it. Tastes really good, and I really enjoy having the Szechuan seasoning in there with the onion and herb. I don't really taste the onion and herb as much, but the Szechuan seasoning, you can tell, and it makes it a great flavor to it. So I suggest adding that if you have that, or some sort of flavoring with it, so it tastes a little bit better, in my personal opinion. But overall, very good and very easy to make. And just like that, boys and girls, we are done with making this food. There is plenty of leftovers. I am so happy because I need leftovers for 3 days for this week because of my golf trip, like I said many times in this video. Not many dishes to clean up, which is very nice. It's very easy, and like I said, this is a very simple meal to make. Very simple, not many dishes, and it tastes really good, honestly. So hope you guys have a good one. Hope you guys have a good month, and see you guys in the next one.